The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology have launched the Samvidhan Diwas Quiz 2024. We are going to talk about this, which has a lot of exciting prizes here. Welcome back. I'm Dr. Gomati, and you're watching Goms Tech Talks channel. If you are a new viewer or a visitor, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you really feel that this video is useful, please share it with your friends. Here you can find an important playlist called Skill Up, which will give you a lot of videos about free courses, certification courses, and internship opportunities, job opportunities, hackathon, quizzes, everything. I'll be posting it. I'll be updating this particular playlist at least once a week. Let's just go ahead and explore. Okay, so this is Samvidhan Diwas Quiz 2024. So this is actually by the government of India, where they are providing a lot of exciting prizes for the winners. Let's learn more about it. So this is a citizen engagement platform launched by the government of India, okay, to promote the active participation of Indian citizens in their country's governance and development. It is aimed at creating a common platform for Indian citizens to crowdsource government ideas from citizens. So here you can see that this is what the quiz is all about, and this quiz has started on November 26th and it is there till December 15th. So you can simply click participate to participate here. Before we participate, let us just go ahead and explore what are the various languages which are available for the participation. So here you can see English, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi, Marathi, and Odia. So you can attend this quiz on these languages. Okay, this is the one. And if you see the next one here, you can find the certification. So what is a certification is where the top best performer of the quiz will be awarded with a cash prize for rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so the second best performer will be awarded with a cash prize of rupees 75,000. The third best performer will be awarded with a cash prize of 50,000. Consolidated prizes of rupees 2,000 each will be awarded to next 200 participants. Additionally, next 100 participants will receive additional consolidation prizes of 1,000 each. So here are the terms and conditions. Like, the quiz is open to all the residents of India or those of Indian origin. So the quiz will be available in 12 languages. That is what I have shown you. And you can access the quiz only through this particular website. I'll be sharing this website in the pinned comment section, so please see that. The questions will be randomly picked up from the question bank through an automated process. So you cannot see the same question, everybody will not be getting the same question. Okay. So each question in the multiple choice format and has only one correct options. Okay. Participants are allowed to play only once. Multiple participation is not permitted. The quiz will begin as soon as the participant clicks on start quiz button. Okay, this is the time based quiz with 10 questions which needs to be answered within 300 seconds. Fine. The quiz is timed. The sooner a participant finishes, the better their chances of winning. Okay, so it's based on the time. Okay. There is no negative marking in this quiz. That is a great question. That is a great option here. In the event of multiple participants having the same number of correct answers, the participant with the shortest time will be declared as the winner. So after successful completion, the participant could auto-download a digital participation certificate recognizing their participation and completion. Participants should not refresh the page while taking the quiz and should not submit the page to register their entry. The announced winners need to update their bank details of the disbursement of the prize money. Participants will need to provide their name, email address, and mobile number. So while registering for the quiz, please ensure that you are giving the correct email address, correct phone number, so that they can contact you. The same mobile number and the email address cannot be used more than once. Okay, and the organizers hold the right to disqualify the participants of any misconduct or. So organizers has all the right to modify or discontinue the quiz at any moment or the event of unforeseen events. Organizers' decisions on the quiz shall be final. Okay, participants need to have a regular check on the content and organizers reserves the rights. So this is all about this particular quiz. So you can see that you have a cash prize. Okay, so we also discussed about the cash prize. So once if you click participate, so here you have to click participate. So you can find the participation form. You have to give the name, proper mobile number. You have to give the mobile number. You have to give the date of birth. Correct date of birth is also essential. They'll be checking whether you are eligible for this. Okay, so you have to select the date of birth here, and then you can select the gender, and then just get you have to click get OTP, where you will be receiving an OTP through which you have which number you are trying to register. Okay, I got my OTP, so I'm just submitting it, and once it's submitted, you can just start the quiz. Oh, it's already started. So finally, I have completed my quiz, and you can see that it's showing congratulations. So it is a participant information. So let's just try to download it. Okay, so here I'll just show you how to download. The download certification link become active after the quiz concludes. Okay, so after this concludes, in the sense on December 15th. Okay, and you will be getting a notification, and they are providing ID here for your reference. Yes, I have concluded, so please start and complete it. You may get any prize, so don't worry, just go ahead and submit it. So the question was completely about the Indian Constitution. Okay, so completely about the Election Commission, amendments and everything. So please don't forget to do this. And if you have any questions related to your career readiness certifications, if you're a student, you need a career guidance or anything, so please don't forget to schedule a call here with me so that I can help you out. Okay, thank you, take care, and bye bye. Have a great day and have a